If you love a strip lash but want something a little softer to complement your complexion, you need to try the TATTI Lash's new Ombre strip lashes. I'm going to show you how to apply the lightest lash in the collection, Honey to Caramel, to achieve this gorgeous winged look. If you have lighter natural lashes, this is the perfect lash for you. The lighter and darker caramel fibres blend seamlessly for a more natural yet stunning look, which will make your eyes pop. With longer lengths on the outer corner, this lash will create a standout, sultry cat eye that will leave your eyes snatched. Now it's time to apply. Align the band with the natural lash line, trim excess if needed. Make sure when applying glue to the lash band to wait 40 to 50 seconds until the adhesive is tacking. Place the lash in the center of your natural lashes, then using tweezers, push the inner corner of the strip lash in place, followed by the outer corner. Use your lash applicator to press the lash against your natural lashes. And that is how you can create a stunning cat eye look with our Honey to Caramel Ombre strip lashes. Shop now at tattilashes.com.